Here I'll be presenting about the components you need or devices and also how to send the email using Arduino, sensor and Zapier. Then the equipment you will need the breadboard, you also need the Arduino Nano, you need the wires, and then you need the light sensor in addition to your PC. With Zapier. In Zapier, you will need to create an account or sign up, and if you get there, you can use your Gmail account or use the other email address and then your name, and then you get started. So when you get into Zapier, you need to create your Zap, and then when you create your Zap, it's gonna show here. But then the trigger I need, for example, I need webhooks. Okay, the webhooks are not for free, it's premium, you need to pay. You change that, you need to pay. And then when it comes to the action we need this app to do, it needs to send an email to Gmail. Yes, it sent email to Gmail. I'll come back and discuss this. That's part. Second, to complete this activity, you need to have a Arduino cloud account. You sign here, sign up here, and then you register an account with cloud. These are the important steps in your Arduino coding. You need to have Sketch, and you can add the device and things. In my case, this is my Sketch at the background, and in my Sketch here, it adds some libraries, and then these are the variables I have, and also for the Wi-Fi. And here I'll have my webhooks from Zapier, and then this is a variable for the light sensor. I initialize it, and this is the method for counting time, and everything gets started there. Serial gets started, Wi-Fi get connected, and then the light sensor begins. And then on the loop, these are my readings for the light sensor, and then the serial just prints on the monitor, serial monitor. And then if there's light, if the light is zero, is, let's say, we don't need to charge our plant, then it's going to print is full, and then we'll send a message to the email, and then this email post this to the function, calls this function. There's a function here, and the challenge I'm having in this function is the query. It's supposed to send the value for the light and other values, but it doesn't do. But the path is correct, the posting is correct, but it's just the query, the string, it's not working as it's supposed to. And also I don't close my connection to the Wi-Fi or internet, and there is no while loop, but this switch works well. The minute this is zero, it's switch off, it stops charging. Before this gets full, that works well. Let's come back here to Zapier. The catch-up hook, this webhook, is able to get the data or to trigger the information I need. And the information, there's a history somewhere, I'll show you. But the challenge I'm having with this one is, let's show you this account action. Are these values? These values are not pulling through from the other code, but the setup of the body, this the message gets sent, and then this message goes to my emails. It comes here. I can send this notification that this is charging or stop charging or fully charged, but the value is supposed to be sitting there, didn't pull through, or it's gonna send a zero. It sends a zero this value. Okay. The history of the one which I have sent, the trigger, you can see here there was a successful transaction, EIFTT, a transaction, and then this is the information which was sent. This is the log, the value through light. I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Last thing you need to know, the polling. Polling, it means that the Arduino microchip or microcontroller keeps updating the values of the light. It keeps checking whether the value hasn't changed through this loop, or the other side, it could be the device or the sensor sending information to Arduino. It means that then it interrupts Arduino to record the updated values. That it's also an important part in managing the triggers and also updating the information in Arduino using polling or interruptions or interrupts the program running. Thanks.